Hey, you dropped this. Lavazza? What's Lavazza?
Lavazza is our community.
Cool. I'm from Belarus and I love Lavazza's coffee.
I'm from America and I love hot chocolate.
I'm from India and I love tea.
A lot of different stories meet in one place. Do you want to be part of our Lavazza community?
Yeah, sure.
Lavazza is a blend of flavors and art into a warm cup of coffee. Lavazza started out as a small family business and now is international around the world. Lavazza is a diverse company that focuses their time and efforts into making a place where people can feel included. Lavazza is a perfect start to your day.
Lavazza inspires me because they're a very diverse and very inclusive company that I've worked for. I've been to work at a few different companies over the years. They include a lot of us in general, from gender all the way into different nationalities. So
I was born and raised in a coffee farm, so I've been learning about the coffee since I was little, and in here being able to see the process from the packaging perspective, it does inspires me to make sure we continue that legacy of the coffee farm and really good flavor of the coffee in the morning for everybody.
The world is a big place, and Lavazza can show you how big that world is. Whereas people and how they move and where they're from and their culture, you take a little of that back home with you.
Cool about manufacturing. Manufacturing, we learn about a lot of different things every day from different people. It's like we create diversity, different culture, and different countries. So we meet a lot of different people every day. And I love to work on manufacturing like this.
That's what's so cool